Hey guys, it's Annette. So I think I have decided that I'm going to use this little magazine cart from Temu to organize my foils in, because right now I took them out of the square containers that they come in. I put them in a Ziploc bag, but I think I could stick them in. I'm still trying to figure out a way to use these little books. So I'm thinking if I stick them in the books and then I put them in there, that I might like that. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. so this is the way it ended up looking. I basically was able to find a way to use my magazine cart that I got off of Temu and then my little books that I had. I think the foils work a lot better in these little books than the stickers did for me, just because the stickers would stick to the pages in these little books. But the top shelf is flowers. Second shelf is butterflies and lace, I think. And then the third shelf is like paisley and stones and prints and metallics. And more metallics. This other shelf down here is Halloween and Christmas. And then the last shelf down here, I think it has like cartoons, Barbie. Let me see, get down here. Valentine's Day, I'm on the floor. So Valentine's Day, Disney cartoon, Barbie, food, fruit. And then I have one more. That's newspaper, comics. Just throw it on the floor. Newspaper, comics, animal print, random, and mermaid. So anyways, this is how it's going to work out for me. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it'll work out really good. And then it's just going just right in this little area. I just can't see right now. So yeah, so that's where it's going to live. So it fits perfectly in there, and you can actually fit quite a bit in that little cart. So I'm actually really pleased with it. I don't grab from my foils as much as I should. So I think having them out will make me grab for them more. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.